हम्म, hello, check, check. So I like the question, but I don't like the way it is given. It's so shallow that I can't even make out what they're asking and how come are we reaching this 1200 when we have these values. Explanation multi. Excuse me. Given an integer, find the maximum product of a triplet array. So we essentially need to find out what is a triplet uh, array. Okay, so I think from here we can cover out our uh, doubts. The hiring team aims to find three candidates who are great collectively. Each candidate has his or her ability expressed as an integer 3. Expressed as an integer 3 arbitrarily if the product of their abilities is maximum. Given the ability of some candidates in an array, return the maximum collective ability from the pool of candidates. I still don't get the question. The hiring team aims to find three candidates who are great collectively. Okay, so we have to find three people who are great when they work together. Each candidate has his or her ability as expressed as an integer. Okay, expressed as an integer. Okay, correct. Three candidates are great collectively if the product of their abilities is maximum. So why don't we pick the top three numbers and we multiply? Is it what it's asking? Okay, so yes, I guess yes. So so we have to pick the lowest number, minus 3 into minus 5 into minus 6, that is 30 into 3, 90, minus 90, correct. Okay, so yes, understood the question. Let's write the code for it. I'll just take a moment, 10 seconds, just to think through through the question. You have to pick the. So the easiest way is to sort there and then print the three elements. Correct. Print the first three if it's in uh, descending order, and if it's in ascending order, then we print the last three elements. Correct. So we reverse the array and then we print the. So we arrange the array in descending order. So we print the first three elements. Okay. So I think, but this is a very naive way. So, but we'll, for the sake of doing, we'll do it. Um, Arrays dot sort. Okay, first we'll do how the way we actually know things, not by searching or doing anything. So arrays dot sort what array, correct. Then we have array for int I is equal to 0. I is less than, correct, less than what, how many elements we need to print? 3, correct. Always less than 3, so 0 1 2, correct, every time, and I plus plus. Then we create int prod is equals to 1. Then simply run a loop. Prod into is equals to arri, correct. So and then at the last we return the prod. That is correct. I guess it will run and compile and everything. Compilation completed. How do we know if it's correct? How do we know if it's correct? Here are the test cases. Well, let's try submitting it. Oh, sorry. My bad. So we are picking essentially the. Oops, that's so we have to sort it either in descending order or so. First three elements are the shortest elements. Okay, so the smallest elements. Correct. Errors returned on menu, and we find int len is equals to arr dot len gdh. Okay, so we run from length -1. उल्टी एरर चलानी है ना. या फिर यहाँ से चला लो. 2, 3 and then 4. Correct. Correct. Are why? How come this time? I write the code, I don't find my mistake. It's a big problem. This has happened to me so many times, even in the exams this happens. I write the code and I don't even know what's not working. I can do several iterations of this code. I can write it in a completely different way, but that's not. But I'm not finding. I find it completely correct. It's a big problem. Okay, so we are. If we sort, if we have an array and if we sort it, it means we have the smallest numbers in the starting and the largest numbers in the end. And even if we have all the small numbers, then we have ascending order, that is smallest to largest. Then also we must multiply the last three. So I'm pushing myself currently because I feel like just giving up on the solution. So the problem is I don't get the QUESD question. 100%. Help me. And Shit.